If your 2024 or 2025 GM vehicle suddenly has a driver window that will not go up, will not go down, or only works sometimes, this bulletin may explain it. Have you noticed that symptom? And stay with me until the end, because the possible repair cost here may be a lot lower than many drivers first fear. For a lot of drivers, this kind of problem feels bigger than it really is at first. When a window stops responding, people often assume the regulator failed, the motor burned out, or there is some deeper body control or wiring issue hiding in the door. That is what makes this issue so frustrating. The symptom can show up as a random intermittent failure, which makes it feel unpredictable and harder to trust, especially when the window works one moment and then acts stuck the next. GM Bulletin 25NA022 describes a condition where the driver door window may intermittently not roll up or down, or may be found stuck after the window switch button is pressed. The bulletin points to the driver window switch itself as the problem area. According to the bulletin, this appears to affect several GM models from 2024 through 2025, including the Chevrolet Colorado, Equinox, Equinox EV, Silverado EV, and Traverse, plus the GMC Canyon and Terrain. GM also says this bulletin applies to vehicles built from May 14, 2024 through December 15, 2024, with the Remote Express Down, All Windows option, known as RPO-WLD. So this is not being presented as a broad electrical system failure across the whole vehicle. It is much narrower than that, even though the symptom can absolutely make owners think the opposite at first. There are no verified diagnostic trouble codes listed in this bulletin. That matters because some viewers will go looking for a code to confirm the problem, but in this case the official document does not provide one. GM says the cause may be a faulty internal relay inside the window switch. In other words, the switch assembly itself may become inoperable, which then creates the stuck or intermittent window behavior the customer notices. That is the reveal here. What feels like a major window system failure may actually come down to a bad relay inside the driver window switch, not necessarily a failed motor or a broken regulator. And that lines up with what some owners describe online. One Equinox EV owner said the driver window would not go up unless the switch was pulled fully into auto mode, while another owner discussion pointed to the switch needing replacement and being back-ordered. Those kinds of reports are anecdotal, not technical proof, but they do mirror the strange, inconsistent behavior described in the bulletin. This is also why some drivers lose time chasing the wrong explanation. When a window sometimes responds and sometimes does not, it is easy to blame calibration, weather, the battery, or a regulator issue before anyone suspects an internal relay in the switch. GM's repair direction is straightforward. Dealers are instructed to replace the driver window switch, and the bulletin specifically says no other parts need to be replaced for this condition. There is one extra detail technicians are told to check before replacement. GM says to inspect the OEM production part on the vehicle for the Julian date printed under the GM part number on the back of the switch. If that date code falls between 4135 and 4350, the switch should be replaced. If it falls outside that range, normal SI diagnostics should be followed instead. The bulletin also lists the switch part number as 85670-255 and references the labor operation for front side door window switch replacement. That tells us GM has isolated this enough to give dealers a defined repair path instead of a vague troubleshooting note. Now let's talk cost, because that is what many owners care about most. If your vehicle is still under warranty and the dealer confirms this exact issue, the repair may be covered. If it is not covered, a rough 2026 estimate based on common nationwide labor rates would put diagnosis at about $95 at an independent shop or about $145 at a dealership for 1 hour of labor. If the switch does need to be replaced, a rough estimate would be around $190 to $260 total at an independent shop, or around $240 to $330 total at a dealership, depending on parts markup, labor time, and local pricing. That is still only a rough estimate, but it is much more in line with a switch repair than a much larger window motor or regulator job. That means the most realistic cost discussion is this. The cheapest outcome is simply paying a diagnostic charge if the switch date code falls outside the affected range and the shop finds another cause. The more likely outcome here is a diagnosis plus replacement of the driver window switch, or warranty coverage if applicable. So if you own a 2024 or 2025 Chevrolet Colorado, Equinox, Equinox EV, Silverado EV, or Traverse, or a 2024 or 2025 GMC Canyon or Terrain, and your driver window is acting stuck or intermittent, this bulletin is worth knowing about. The key point is that GM ties the issue to the driver window switch, and specifically to a potentially faulty internal relay. If you have experienced this issue, let me know what your window was doing and what the dealer found. And if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment so more drivers can find these fixes before paying for the wrong repair.